Joining me now, Dr. Mario Ramirez, emergency room physician and former acting director of the Office of Pandemic and Emergency Threats at the Department of Health and Human Services. Dr. Ramirez, it's good to see you. First of all, this patchwork approach, does this work, or does it become even more confusing and potentially more dangerous?
No, it's a real problem, Andrea. And, I think you started the piece off talking a little bit about the decreasing testing in places like Texas and Florida. And I think that is a result of the problem that we're having with this sort of disjointed approach. So compared to early July, the amount of testing done in Texas is down 45%. In Florida, it's down 22%. But the test positivity rates in those places is up close to 20%. And we know, for comparison, that to do sort of adequate surveillance, that test positivity needs to be around 5%. So we know that we're not doing enough testing. And we know that these places are all reporting the data in different and disjointed ways. So when folks come to health professionals and ask what they should be doing, it's almost impossible for us to give them sound advice because we don't know what the data really shows. And that's the direct result of this misjointed approach.
And why are those test results, why are rather the tests declining in numbers?
Honestly, there is a lot of uncertainty about what's causing it, Andrea. There are some folks that are having a hard time receiving all of the reagents that they need. There are other folks that are having a hard time assigning technicians to run all the tests. And then on the bureaucratic side, there's actually a holdup in Texas about assigning the cases to a particular county, meaning that of the tests that are positive, they haven't been assigned to a specific location that they originated from. And so, what that all means, right, is that we can't run the right number of tests in the right place. And the reason that's happening is because this hasn't been coordinated at the federal level. With all of these states trying to piece together their own solutions in piecemeal fashion, there are going to be some winners and losers in the hunt for all of these supplies. And so it's impossible for us to get good data out of that.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.